The first component of this new package that went into effect January 1st is one that isn't, unfortunately, getting a lot of media coverage, but it's really consequential, and it has to do with something called the zero tax bracket. Help us understand that.
Well, Don, I agree with you. This is one of the most significant things. It's not getting enough attention. This is where people don't pay any taxes. It's a certain percentage of your income that right off the top, you don't pay any taxes on it. We've heard all this talk, this rhetoric from the left about the tax cuts have only been for the rich. It's only for big corporations. Well, this zero tax bracket and the increase in that, this is the standard deduction, has increased. And this impacts lower income folks much more. There are close to 400,000 North Carolinians under this new plan that goes into effect on January 1st who will pay no North Carolina taxes. So, this is huge. This is huge not only for the lower class, but the middle class. And it's one of the most significant tax cuts that they've had. Now, in addition to that, as you mentioned in the introduction, there's a reduction for personal income tax across the board. There's also a reduction in the corporate income tax. So these rates continue to go down. And what we've seen with this, as you mentioned, people get to keep more of their money. And what that means is people either put money in savings or they buy things. This is what drives the economy. And at the same time, reining in the spending that's happening at the government level is what has resulted in this economic growth that we've seen in North Carolina.